The court in Garissa has issued a landmark ruling that saw a director of a private school within the county slapped with a 35-year jail term for sodomizing a secondary school student. Garissa resident magistrate Shadrack Otuke found Hussein Hassan Ali guilty of robbing the innocence of the 17-year-old boy who was a student at Mwangaza private primary and secondary schools, where he was also serving as a principal. And as Serfine Achieng Ouma now reports, human rights defenders consider the outcome of the case, which has been in court since November 2021, as a big win for victims of sexual and gender-based violence, especially in northeastern counties where victims are denied justice through out-of-court settlements.
Early Monday morning at the Garissa Law Courts, Hussein Hassan Ali, the director and principal of Mwangaza private primary and secondary schools, appeared before a packed courtroom. Hussein Ali had been accused of sodomizing a 17-year-old boy who was a student at his school. While delivering his judgment, Garissa resident magistrate Shadrack Otuke said that he was convinced by the evidence presented by the prosecution and sentenced the accused to 35 years in prison.
Having mentioned the judiciary sentencing guidelines above, which I find persuasive, and considering the High Court's provisions, in my view, the accused should be locked up and be accountable for his own actions. The accused is hereby sentenced to 35 years imprisonment in custody.
The magistrate noted that the accused was armed at the time he committed the offense.
I have noted that the accused was armed with a sword at the time while he was committing the offense, and thus the victim feared and obliged due to fear from the threats that the accused may harm or kill him. Indeed, in my view, the accused abused his position to commit the offense.
The sentencing brings to a close a case that has been going on at the Garissa Law Courts since November 2021. The victim, who was in Form 2 then, has since been transferred to a secondary school in Malindi. The ruling came as music to the ears of human rights defenders who say that it will herald a new era in the quest for justice for many victims of sexual and gender-based violence who have been silenced through out-of-court settlements.
Watoto wakidhulumiwa, wasichana, vijana wakidhulumiwa, Wasomali wanaenda kwa ile heri ya maslaha. Lakini leo inaonyesha kwamba mahakama inafanya haki, na sasa ni mzuri sana kwetu, na tunataka wananchi wa Garissa, watoto wakidhulumiwa, vijana na wasichana wajue ya kwamba kuna haki, wakuja mahakama na watafute haki kwa mahakama.
Na hatutawahi kubali kabisa kukuwe na story ya maslaha tena, and this should be an example to everybody, because we are here to fight for the right of everybody who is a victim of this such cases.
The accused has 14 days to appeal the ruling, with his lawyer confirming that he will consider that option.
It's a sad day for the justice. It is a sad day. We will appeal. I don't want to put some character to the court or what, but we will leave that for the appeal.
Serfine Achieng Ouma, Citizen TV.